Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to crochet a super easy heart in under 5 minutes. Grab onto the end of the yarn and wrap it around your index finger. Take the loop off your finger and insert your hook. Take the yarn out and wrap it around and take it out again. And like that, you've made a super easy magic ring. Make 2 more chain, 1, 2, and then make a triple crochet in the loop. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, and then you can see that on the hook right now there's 4 different pieces of yarn. So yarn over, and you're going to pull it through the first 2. So these 2. Now you can see you have 3 more on your hook. Yarn over, and pull it through the next 2. Now you have 2 more on your hook, and finally pull it through the last 2. So like that, you've made a triple crochet. And we're going to make another one. So insert the first 2, the next 2, and the last 2. So that's 3 triple crochet, because this first one, the 3 chain, also counts as a triple crochet. Next, make 3 double crochet. So yarn over once, into the loop, pull it through the first 2, then the last 2. And just do that 2 more times. First 2, next 2. Here you can see we have 6 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make 1 chain, and to make the pointy bit of the heart, make a triple crochet. After the triple crochet, make a chain, and make 3 more double crochet. So we're going to repeat what we did down here, but oppositely. So after the 3 double crochet, make 2 more triple crochet. Here, make 3 chain, and insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, and pull it straight out, so that's a slip stitch. And here, you can cut the yarn, and just pull it through. Grab onto the end of the yarn from the magic ring, so this one, and just pull it. And like that, you've made a heart. To tidy up these loose ends, simply flip it over and just tuck them in. Thanks for watching.